Whales are the biggest animals on Earth and can grow longer than a bus. They breathe air through a blowhole on top of their heads and can hold their breath for a long time. Some whales sing beautiful songs that travel far across the ocean. Crocodiles are strong reptiles that can live both in water and on land. They have powerful jaws and can hide underwater for hours without being seen. Crocodiles are ancient animals that have lived since the time of dinosaurs. Stingrays are flat fish that glide smoothly through the ocean like flying carpets. They often hide under the sand to stay safe from predators. Their tails have a stinger for protection, but they use it only when they feel scared. Killer whales, also called orcas, are not really whales. They're actually big dolphins. They live in family groups called pods and work together to hunt. Orcas are very smart and can jump high out of the water when they play. Fish come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, and they live almost everywhere in the ocean. They breathe using gills and swim with the help of their fins. Some fish glow in the dark, while others can even change color to hide. The great white shark is one of the strongest hunters in the sea. It can smell a tiny drop of blood from far away. Even though they look scary, great white sharks are very important for keeping the ocean healthy. Seahorses are tiny sea creatures that look like little horses with curly tails. They swim slowly and love to hold on to sea plants. The daddy seahorse carries the babies in his pouch until they are born. Crabs are funny little animals that walk sideways on the beach. They have hard shells to protect themselves and big claws to grab food. When they grow bigger, they leave their old shells and find new ones. Lobsters live at the bottom of the ocean and have strong claws to catch food. They can live a very long time, even more than 50 years. When cooked, their shell turns bright red because of the heat. Penguins are cute black and white birds that cannot fly but are great swimmers. They live in cold places and love to sliding on ice for fun. Penguins keep each other warm by standing close together in groups called colonies. An octopus has 8 arms covered in tiny suction cups that help it hold things. It can change its color and shape to hide from danger. Octopuses are very smart and can even solve puzzles to get food. Dolphins are friendly, playful animals that love to jump and swim in groups. They talk to each other using whistles and clicks. Dolphins are very smart and sometimes help people in the ocean. Manta rays are gentle giants that glide through the sea with wide wings. They eat tiny plankton and love to swim gracefully in warm waters. Sometimes they leap out of the water and spin in the air just for fun. Turtles have hard shells that protect them from danger. They move slowly on land but can swim beautifully in water. Sea turtles always return to the same beach where they were born to lay their eggs. Sharks have been living in the ocean for over 400 million years. They have many rows of sharp teeth that grow back when they fall out. Some sharks are gentle and eat only small fish or plants. Ducks are water birds that can swim, walk, and even fly. Their feathers keep them dry while they float on water. Ducks love to eat plants, bugs, and small fish from ponds and rivers. Walruses are big sea animals with long tusks and thick skin to keep them warm. They love to rest on ice and slide into the cold water to swim. Walruses use their tusks to climb onto ice and protect themselves from predators.